Well, there's going to be no adventure video this week, and I'm going to show you why right now.
So not only did I come down with a cold on Friday night, but last night, which was Saturday, we got hit with a very typical spring Alberta snowstorm. So you can even see here, as of this morning, it was still bad enough that they had put out an emergency alert advising people not to drive if they didn't have to. So we decided to just stay home, and that's why you get to watch me shovel snow.
You would think living where we do, I'd be used to this by now, but it gets old really fast.